Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 1st of September 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, Australia is at severe risk of not meeting its target of 82% renewables by 2030. The main reasons are lack of new wind projects, slow transmission, a buyer's strike from utilities and corporate customers, and the uncertainty created by the Queensland state government. Based on current scenarios, Australia might only reach 60% renewables by 2030 and may not get to 82% renewables until 2037. The electricity market in the Dominican Republic is undergoing a key transformation process. The introduction of a new tender imposes unprecedented technical requirements for the renewable sector. One of the points of greatest concern was the short 24-month period granted to reach the commercial operation. The increase of capex and the need for hybridization experience can leave many project development companies out. Deutsche Windtechnik welcomes 31 new mechatronics apprentices to their newest program, which began today, September 1st. The company is continuing its course of recent years of training service specialists on their own, in a practical manner, and thus attracting long-term qualified employees for the plant service. In addition to mechatronics, Deutsche Windtechnik trains young professionals in the fields of warehouse logistics, office management, and marketing. The U.S. administration has displayed unbridled hostility towards offshore wind power over the past 8 months. However, Iberdrola has thus far avoided much of the turmoil, and the company is continuing to advance their offshore wind projects, including Park City Wind and Kitty Hawk. While it has not been widely reported, Iberdrola has publicly committed to $20 billion for transmission infrastructure investments, as well as facilitating natural gas use that has been a priority of the U.S. administration. Norway's Equinor will pump nearly $1 billion into Ørsted's emergency fundraising. The energy company said it planned to participate in Ørsted's 60 billion Danish crown rights issue. They will subscribe to new shares worth up to 6 billion crowns. This will maintain Equinor's 10% stake in Ørsted, helping to remove some uncertainty for the offshore wind farm developer. Equinor said in a statement that it seeks, quote, closer industrial and strategic collaboration with Ørsted. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.